If you've been doing all the right things, trying to calm your nervous system, resting more, slowing down, praying, changing your habits, but your body still feels tense, on edge, or exhausted, this video is for you. Because what if the problem isn't that you're doing something wrong, but that your body doesn't feel safe yet to let go? And what if the symptoms you're fighting are actually your body trying to protect you? And this is something I learned the hard way. For years, I was trying to fix my health and nothing seemed to change. And that's because your nervous system doesn't think in words. It doesn't analyze your intentions. It doesn't care how much you want to heal. It asks one question constantly: am I safe or am I in danger? And danger doesn't only mean physical threats. For the nervous system, danger can look like chronic stress, emotional overwhelm, unpredictability, pushing through even when you're exhausted, never having time to fully exhale. When the body senses danger, even subtle danger, it shifts into protection mode. Muscles tighten, breathing becomes shallow, digestion slows down, and the mind stays alert. These are not malfunctions. They are intelligent survival responses, actually. The real issue is not that your body enters protection mode. The issue is when it never receives a signal that the danger has passed. When stress becomes chronic, when emotions are constantly pushed down, when life feels demanding but there's no true recovery. Over time, the body starts to interpret this as staying alert is safer than relaxing. So letting go starts to feel uncomfortable. Rest can feel restless. Calm can feel unfamiliar, even threatening. And that's when people start saying, I don't know why I can't relax. I'm always on. I sleep, but I'm still exhausted. This isn't weakness, it's conditioning. A body that doesn't feel safe doesn't always show it loudly. Sometimes it looks like constantly scanning or overthinking, being easily overstimulated, shallow breathing, fatigue that doesn't resolve with sleep, needing to stay busy to feel okay, feeling disconnected from your body, or the opposite, feeling hyper aware of your body. Many people think these are personality traits, but they're not. They're signs of a nervous system that learned to protect. Here's something crucial that's often misunderstood. Your body cannot fully heal while it still feels under threat. Not because you're failing, but because healing requires openness, energy, trust. A nervous system in protection mode prioritizes survival, not repair. It's biological. This is why forcing relaxation doesn't work, why pushing through exhaustion backfires, why doing all the right things can still feel frustrating. The body doesn't respond to pressure, it responds to safety. And when I talk about safety, I'm not talking about a feeling of happiness or calm all the time. For the nervous system, safety looks much simpler than that, luckily. It looks like being able to exhale fully, muscles not constantly bracing, digestion turning back on, the mind not needing to scan every moment. Safety is the body realizing nothing needs my immediate protection right now. And the important thing to know is this: safety is built in small, repeated moments, not big breakthroughs. Moments like taking a few slow breaths before getting out of bed, gentle stretching, or going for a mindful walk in nature. These small habits are how your body gains trust to let go again. But if your body doesn't feel safe yet, that doesn't mean you're broken. It means your body has been working very hard to keep you alive, functional, and protected. And now it needs something different. This is where all the practices we talked about in the previous videos come in. Not as things you have to do, not as tools to force healing, because even the pressure to get better, to do more, or to fix yourself quickly can be interpreted by the body as danger. So we leave that behind for now. No, these practices are gentle, repeated signals that tell the body you're supported, you're allowed to slow down. You can use those videos as guidelines, not rules, as a way to create predictability and reassurance without pressure to implement every tool or to see miracle changes overnight. The body doesn't rebuild trust in a day. It learns safety through consistency, patience, and kindness. And when that trust slowly returns, healing doesn't have to be chased anymore. It begins to unfold on its own time. But for now, I want you to take this with you. Don't lose hope. Your body is not against you, it has never been. It's been protecting you the best way it knew how. Listen to it, work with it, and let healing happen at the pace your body needs. If this video resonated with you, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time on the Holistic Cup.